How to delete Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Facebook account, you can simply open up Facebook and log into your account. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on the settings or the gear icon just below it. Once here on the settings and privacy, you can see the option that says account center. You want to tap on it, and here now you want to simply tap on the option that says personal details. Once you tap on personal details, you'll be able to see this option that says account ownership and control. Tap on it and then tap on deactivation or deletion, then select the particular Facebook account that you wish to delete. Now here you'll have to simply tap on delete account option. Make sure the blue circle is on the delete account option. If you just wish to deactivate, you can tap on deactivate and make sure the blue check mark is on deactivate as well. But since you want to delete, make sure it is on delete and then tap on continue. It'll ask you for password, enter in your password and you are good to go. So this way you can delete Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.